All right, guys, wait till you see what we got.
Yes.
All you troll hunters are going to want one of these, so stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Tom.
I'm Vicky.
We're with the Carolina Travel Channel, and we had made it here in Asheville, North Carolina to find the trolls. There are 12 of them, and I'm looking at one right now. Do you see it? There's one of them. First of 12 that's here in Asheville. Little chilly day today, though. What's the high today?
50, 48, 50.
48. Let's watch out before we get run over. We don't want that. All right. Check it out. That's pretty cool.
He's got a pencil. Him's drawing. Oh, what's that?
Does it have? They have names?
They don't have a plaque to it.
Are y'all looking for
What's its name?
oh, it's on its stone over there? Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
The troll has a little flag.
There we go.
Oh, thank you.
Wildy.
What? Oh, Waldy. What was the things that we were going to look for?
Those stuff that's like 4x4s that's in the ground.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Ain't it pretty? Oh. He's got a trash can over his feet. Or a rolling bucket.
Okay, come on, Steve. What you doing, babe? You go in, Oh, I didn't even notice it had wheels on it.
Is he cool or what? Look at all these screws. That is so cool. Little hands. So I guess, let me look over here. Oh, there's one down there. If you can see it.
Sweetie, can I get a map? Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, let's follow this trail and see if we can't find more. We found one. What was his name?
Lurk.
Lurk, and what was the other one? Wildy?
Waldy. Wild?
So let's go find the rest of them. Cool, what's his name?
Anja. Anja?
Huh?
A-N-J-A.
Anja.
That's Hesse.
Who?
Hesse.
Hesse?
Hesse.
There's Hesse.
Oh, he watched the ball go between his legs. He's got a net thing up there.
I see him.
Hello. Oh, that is too funny. That is just too funny.
You grab this one.
I finally.
It's nosy.
Get your fingers out of his nose.
Oh man.
Could be squirrels. You know what? I don't think that's squirrels. I mean,
They ain't gonna go nowhere for sure.
that's for sure.
I think rest of them are up there in the garden area.
In the field, the middle.
This is the last one in the woods, and rest of them are.
Oh yeah. Okay.
You got that one right there.
Yeah, the parking lot's like out here. And
Yeah.
there's the building.
That, and also there's Curse right there, so it'd be that way, wouldn't it?
I think so too. We
I
ain't
would
been
think
that
so.
way yet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You welcome.
This one's really cute.
Curse. Got it, okay. So we've seen, I think 6, right?
Yes.
Pretty sure we've seen 6 trolls. 6 more to see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trolls.
We've seen 7.
Yeah.
It's a pretty nice place. I come here in the summertime. I bet it's pretty
Well,
cool
that's
looking.
just circling around
Yeah,
back
we can't
right
go that
here.
way. Let's go this way.
I don't know.
All right, here
That's
we
about
go.
feet walking around.
Yep. But if we walk up though, we should be going that way. See, if we just walked up here, wait, you turn around. We gotta go all back through here. So we gotta go that way. Oh, excuse me.
Go that way. But that one just circled around and come this way.
This ain't where we come in. We come in at another one.
Oh.
There's one right there in front of us.
Oh.
Get with the program.
Well, it just circled and went back this way.
Well, it looked like it did right there.
No, it
But we
didn't.
could have come up the stairs.
Yeah, we could come up this stair. What is that?
I don't know. I remember.
That's an Indian.
Yeah.
walk inside?
Get under his foot, it look like he's stomping you.
Oh, God.
Now stand.
As well as I used to.
I can't get down anymore. You'd have to pull me up. Well, wait on Mindy. She's still looking at flowers or plants. I told her to come in the spring when it's warm.
Get in there, Vicky.
Huh?
Get in there.
Let me see if I can get in here.
Can't take her anywhere. Wait.
Now let's see if I can get out.
Have y'all been to see one of them?
Lulant. What? Little nut.
Look at the big old flowers.
Yeah, look at them. This place look cool at nighttime, I bet.
Yeah, I bet it would. Maybe before it goes away, we'll come back and.
Oh, there he is. There's one.
Found him.
Somebody stuck.
Oh, here's the plaque. Big nut.
That's you.
No, you're the big nuts.
We're going down to sell. We're going to sell.
Oh my goodness. Baby, they trying to take a picture.
Are you going to crawl in this cage? Hey, Mindy. Yeah, come crawl in this cage. I mean, Miss Seven will crawl in the cage. It says how to trap a human. How to trap a
Look at those vines. Look at those trees. They got so many lights here. Hey guys, well, we did it. We've seen all the trolls in North Carolina, so guess what we got? I told you we're going to show you something. Check it out. We found all the trolls in North Carolina, so we got one.
Look at the back.
Turn around. It's got all the trolls on it. Is it not neat? So I told you we had something. So in order to get this, when you end up here in Asheville, North Carolina, they sell them here. So end up here and then you can get one and say, hey, I seen them all in North Carolina. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and to Carolina Travel Channel. So y'all have a great day and let's go home.